Hi, so I know you're all probably familiar with how to play dominoes. In this video, I want to share with you some ideas for how you can get more out of that and why I prefer to turn them into kind of craft type activities. So of course you can just print and play, and there's different versions that you can print and play, picture to text, etc. But if you use the craft versions, you can get in a lot more practice. So for example, even with the very young learners, you can get them to do find and stick, matching the picture to the picture. You might not be wanting them to see the word as well, even if they can read and write. But you want them to recognise the oral version of the word, listen, recognise that piece of vocabulary or that phrase that you're practicing and match it. So they can create it first, and then they've got their own sets which they can take home and practice with their parents. You've also got like the text, so they can be working individually too, if you prefer to do that. So they can be, reading and then finding the picture, matching that to the text. They could be working on word recognition, so reading the text, matching text to the text. They can, be working on all sorts of different skills depending on the procedures that you use. And I always include different activity suggestions to help you decide what's most appropriate for your group. So yeah, all these things that have been in the background, these are in the newest domino set, the sports and hobbies dominoes. We've got lots of other dominoes as well on Kids Club English, for body parts, for all sorts really. If you just go to the resources section on the website and you search for resource type dominoes, you'll see everything that we've got there. And yeah, get using dominoes to their kind of full potential, get kids excited about creating their own version of the games. You can even combine sets and get them to play together for a giant dominoes game. Yeah, so if you're interested, then go and check them out there on kidsclubenglish.com.